Let's jump right into some shocking reading. In just a few months, our favorite cryptocurrency could hit $10,000. But where do these kinds of predictions come from? The case between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission is likely to end this month, according to experts. This is the reason why whales have started buying a lot of XRP cards. Isn't that a sign of strength? You really can't miss it. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene, the famous blockchain business that made XRP is illegal. Battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The industry as a whole is very worried about this court case. Both sides are waiting for the court to make a decision on the SEC's asked remedies. The decision could have a big impact on Ripple's future, XRP's future, and the regulation of digital assets in general. The SEC's claim is at the heart of the matter, made in a case that was filed in December 2020 that XRP Ripple sales are an offering of unregistered securities. This description is strongly disagreed with by Ripple, who say that XRP is more of a utility coin than a security. This is the moment when the judge will decide the punishments. The effects on money and rules are still uncertain. Ripple is still very optimistic, as shown in its XRP markets report for the first quarter. Being sure that the judge will make a decision soon about the solutions, the company hopes that this controversial problem will be settled in a fair and unbiased way. The next step for both sides is to wait for the judge to decide on the final solutions, which should happen in the next few months. Ripple said that they are still sure that the judge will be fair during the remedies part. However, the SEC has taken a strong stance and is now demanding that Ripple pay large fines totaling about $2 billion, including paying back the money, interest on the debt before it was paid, more fines, and a ban on selling XRP in the future. In April, Ripple denied these claims, saying that disgorgement was not necessary because there was no proof of investment harm. They suggested a punishment that was much less harsh, no more than $10 million. As the court case goes on, the crypto business is on edge, waiting impatiently for the judge's decision. The lack of clarity about the timing makes people even more excited, and everyone involved is closely watching what happens. The result of this case could have huge effects on how digital assets are regulated in the US. The court's ruling has had an impact on many areas, not just Ripple and the SEC. Depending on the decision, it could either make regulations clearer and encourage new ideas in the crypto area, or it could lead to stricter rules that stop the growth and development of the industry. Among the court drama, interesting things start to happen. Surprisingly, Stuart Alderati said that the SEC wanted to set up a node on the XRP system, which could mean a change in the way things work. These kinds of discoveries make a story that was already hard to follow even more complicated. In a separate development, BitBoy sources are said to have confirmed that the SEC and Ripple have reached a deal, which adds to the mystery and speculation. Could this be the answer that everyone in the crypto community has been looking for? Or is it just another turn in this story that keeps getting stranger? Time will tell. Isn't it crazy? It's been 4 years of legal drama, and billions of dollars are on the line. There are two big names in the world of cryptocurrency going up against each other in court. There is more than just money at stake. The future of digital assets is at stake as well. Please be careful, because what you are about to see is truly amazing. This is the event that shook the crypto world to its core, getting its most important people to take action. I promise you that you won't want to look away. This case is worth a lot of money and has huge effects that will make you gasp for air. Hold on tight, the ride is about to get crazy. The price of XRP isn't just going up and down randomly on the market. This upward trend is due to a number of smart moves made by whales, which are the biggest players in the cryptocurrency space. These whales, as they are often called, are people or businesses that have large amounts of XRP and can change market trends with their big transactions. But why are these whales pumping XRP to all-time highs all of a sudden? The answer lies in the huge gains that could be made. There are people called whales who buy a lot of XRP and drive up its price so that they can sell it at a big profit when the price peaks. It's a perfect example of how to trick the market, where these powerful groups use how investors feel and how the market works to get prices to work in their favor. So how do these whales really control the market? One method used a lot is called pump and dump. In this plan, whales purposely raise the price of a cryptocurrency by placing large buy orders, which makes other investors rush to buy. When the price hits a certain level, the whales sell their shares and make money, bringing down the price and leaving investors with big losses who didn't know what was going on. But it's not just about getting rich quick. For whales who own a lot of XRP, driving the price to new highs also proves their investment theory and gives other investors faith in their choices. Whales can get more buyers into the market by making it seem like there is strong demand and a positive outlook. This drives up prices even more and helps whales make the most money possible. Positive economic signs are making people more optimistic, and people are becoming more interested in cryptocurrencies. This is why whales think now is a good time to push XRP to new heights. The recent drop in the US Consumer Price Index has made people more confident in the financial markets, which is good for the rise of XRP, as long as whales keep buying XRP and driving up prices. Buyers should be careful and keep an eye out for possible market manipulation. But for XRP Ripple, is this just a dream or a real thing? Where does this troubled digital asset go from here? How might its fate affect the future of cryptocurrencies as we know them? Hold on tight, because we're about to dive into a story full of mystery, desire, and the never-ending search for change. Keep reading, because what you're about to learn could change everything you thought you knew about money. Barry C.'s tweet shocks the cryptocurrency community by boldly saying that XRP has a lot more potential than most people think is possible. Barry C. says that a price of just $1,000 for XRP is an extremely low estimate. This may seem unbelievable to some, but it makes a lot of sense to people who know how useful XRP is and how far it can reach. The case in the tweet is strong. The value of XRP can't be limited by normal price limits. There's more to it than just selling or speculating on the market. It's about recognizing XRP's key role in making it possible for huge amounts of money to be transferred around the world. From billions to trillions of dollars, XRP is the backbone of a network that powers transactions in every part of the economy. Its unmatched efficiency makes it possible to send money across countries and currencies without any problems. Think about how many transactions XRP handles every day, millions of trades and billions of dollars going through its network. The trillions of dollars worth of assets moving quickly and safely from one part of the world to another. A low price doesn't do XRP's huge usefulness justice when there is so much desire and use of it, but why is the price so very high? It's not as simple as giving something a value. It's about understanding how big and wide XRP can be used. XRP is a solution that works for all kinds of businesses, from small ones that handle a few hundred deals a day to huge multinationals that move billions of dollars around the world. And because XRP is so important to the world economy, its value must show how big of an effect it has. Barry C's tweet is a rallying cry for people who want XRP to be more than just another cryptocurrency in the future. They want it to be a force that changes the world of finance as we know it. This makes us rethink what we think is valuable and see the real value of a digital product, which could completely change the way we do business around the world. As we look to the future of XRP, it's clear that the path to $1,000 and beyond isn't just a matter of price speculation. It's also a sign of how many chances there are in the world of decentralized finance. But wait, XRP Ripple isn't what it seems to be. This isn't just another coin like all the others that are trying to get your attention. No, XRP changes everything. A technology that is so revolutionary that whole countries are lining up to use it to change the world. When whole countries start to pay attention, you know something really special is going on. It's not just about getting rich quick. It's about being aware of the huge changes happening in the financial world and being on the cutting edge of new ideas. I'm sure you won't want to miss the next part. The message was sent through the cryptosphere like a thunderclap. The Dubai Financial Services Authority gave its stamp of approval to XRP, the digital asset that officials around the world are keeping an eye on. There was a lot of talk and discussion about what happened because it was such an important event. But why would the Dubai Financial Services Authority, which is known for having strict rules, give XRP the green light? Some people think it's not just about connecting currencies, but also about connecting whole countries. With Dubai's strong place as a global financial hub and its big plans for the future, accepting XRP could lead to a new era of cross-border transactions that make oil money and gold-backed currencies work together without any problems. People often say that the eyes are useless if the mind is blind. It's possible that Dubai's Financial Services Authority sees beyond the surface to imagine a world where traditional barriers to financial inclusion are taken down and prosperity has no limits. What does this mean for the price of XRP, though? Some bullish people in the